switch over here to more exciting elements. Over here, the Ruth Ricky Western Collection, which is awesome. So this is a woman's buckle. Obviously there are men buckles. She has quite a variety. Okay, and then come to the middle. And then when you run out of liquid, you just add a little bit more. If you don't use it all, you can use it later. Just keep it in the container here. And you'll kind of know if it goes on and it's too watery and you can still see a lot of the gray under it, then you need more powder. If it's too thick, like it's starting to get a little thick on me now, that means I'm going to have to add a little bit more liquid. Look how pretty that is. Woo! Okay, back over here. Want to be careful not to drip it. You know, it's not the end of the world. You can fix it. But that just takes more time, right? Time is money, honey. Okay. I can move down to these. So anything that was gray is now going to be silver. And so that's why I started with the gray fondant. It's that means I won't have to use as much of the silver to paint it. If it was white underneath, that shows up a lot more. So I'd maybe have to do a couple of coats. And I'd rather do one. Have several size brushes so you can get into some of the nooks and crannies at the end. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just going around this edge here with the silver on all of these. I've already done the other two on the top tier, and I'm going to go around the plaques basically on the bottom too. We'll put just a little bit on the edge of the hat. And then down at the bottom, you can see where I went around these. So this is my last one down here to do. And here. Okay, I've got some black gel color. I'm just going to squeeze a little in here, and I've got a small brush. So I need to take this. Now this definitely would be better to do before you put these on, but again, I didn't have time for it to dry, so I have to do it on here. So we're just going to highlight some of the little areas in the boot. So I just need to figure out which ones I want, like inside here. See how I'm kind of steadying my hand with my little pinky? And that comes around here, like that. And then this one in here, like basically this whole area right in there is going to get painted. So I'll start with this part over here first. Better to work your way from the top down so you don't mess it up. And here I'm just going to do right down the center and on the edges. Okay. So that, and then this. And I want to do this line right here down the middle. Okay, and then I'll do the same on the other one. Okay, there we go. I think it's all finished, so let me turn it around. If you want to do writing, you could actually make the board a little bit bigger, keep it black, make it bigger, and then take the extruder, only with a hot pink writing, and actually do it in rope, you know, Cowgirl or whatever the name for the person is. So I think we're set. The only thing that maybe I would change is maybe this tier. Maybe I would go back to doing the rope around. This is a quick and easy way to do it. I'm not sure it looks quite as good as wrapping it around, but it uses less fondant and it's faster. So other than that, you can have fun and, you know, use all these different molds, and then you could also do little gems and things on here if you were into like isomalt or anything like that. It would be great. Okay, so here's every little cowgirl's dream.